Hi, sixth grade families.
Welcome to the virtual open house.
So, in this presentation, we're just going to introduce ourselves, go over some rules and expectations, our daily schedule, our missing work policy, what we'll learn, and then our homework and grading policies and scales.
My name is Kelly Smith, Miss Smith. I teach STEM, so that is math and science. I am on the left.
And my name is Miss Elizabeth Machado, or Miss Machado, and I will teach ELA and Social Studies, which is Team 1 Humanities, and I'm on the right.
So some rules and expectations we have for both classes and throughout the school is to be prepared to make up any missed work, always be respectful, try your best 100% of the time, always have a positive behavior and a positive growth mindset, and we always ask to wear the mask appropriately.
So this is just a breakdown of our daily schedule. The kids are arriving and accessing their lockers and listening to announcements when they first come in between 7:35 and 7:50. Then they will go to their Core 1 and Core 2 classes. After that, they're allowed to access their lockers and grab their things for Unified Arts and lunch. And then when they return from lunch, they can access their lockers again and gather their belongings for Core 3, Unified Arts, and Core 4, and then they are accessing their lockers one last time. And dismissal and pack up is 209 to 217.
Starting September 17th, every Friday, we will give out a list of their missing work to each student. From that day, they have 1 week to turn in that missing work for partial credit. If it is not submitted in that time frame, it will be a 0 from there on out. And if there are any absences, they are responsible to complete any and all missing assignments.
So some things to learn in ELA are that we are going to tighten and enhance and refine their writing and reading abilities. Some of the major texts we'll be reading are Chew on This, Soul Surfer, and Midsummer's Night's Dream, as well as a few short stories and poems. And then in social studies, we're learning a lot about the early civilizations and classical societies. Some of the regions we're working on are Western Asia, North Africa, Sub-Saharan Africa, the Middle East, Central America, the Caribbean, and South America.
When they come to me, Miss Smith, for math, we're going to be doing whole work as well as small group work, math games, all that good stuff, working with whole numbers, decimals, fractions, percents. We'll dip into rational numbers, go over some coordinate planes, probability and statistics, so on and so forth. Then in science, some of the topics we'll talk about are Earth and the universe, heat transfer, continental drift, rocks, matter, molecules, cells, organisms, and biological evolution. And we will be doing labs for at least every single one of those topics.
This is just a breakdown and scale of how your grades, the students' grades will be put in. So 40% of their grade are tests and major projects, 30% are quizzes, and 30% is classwork and homework. We encourage that you check grades often on Aspen. We did hand those papers out, so you'll have the step-by-step guide on how to access that.
And lastly, our homework and classwork scale. We will just be giving them a check plus, check minus, half, or a 0 based on their effort and their accuracy of the work.
Thanks so much for listening. We're so lucky to have you.
Thank you. Bye.